video catch me now, you know. I hope there's someone that fuck up your blood class, get to God. Come here, come with me, buster. Let's go outside. And I show, no, I don't want the camera there from me, I'm not going to prison. I hope them want to hold you. Right out the door, because you're too out of order. Just stare on my phone. How dare you stare in my phone? How dare you stare in my privacy? How dare you stare in my privacy, bitch? You ugly ass bitch. You can't be on nobody's fucking camera. You're too ugly. You're a ghostbuster. Why you want to be seen? Why the fuck you want to be seen? Move the mask. If you stink breath coming through the mask. If you stink breath coming through the mask. Stop out of here. Stop in my private business. Put phone in what face? Do you have a face? Bitch, you ain't got a face. You're a ghost. Bitch, you ain't got a face. And that means traitor. You ain't got a face. The devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. Now, you see who the ugly blood-clad people always want to sell problem. You will never be going to step outside and think you're so. So I'm not saying I understand. More well when you step out that door, I swear to God. You ugly ass motherfucker. Who want to put you on video? You're just in talking right now. I'm here to tell you, come up and step off the bus. So come up and step off the bus then now. We stop talk. Come on now. Come, let's step off the bus. We don't want to have a big mouth.